Co-Director Chief IVF Consultant jong ke Janitva IVF Center Guwahati Assam ke Dr. Arpita Sarma minta kelawan kenang senang bak Shillong ban ayo kubor ke baha Shuki Shijur ki bamla Satya ban yok khon na kada ko jing lingki ke Dr. Arpita Sharma kelapha ia kan ke kubor Shuki Shijur ki bam yok khon sho la bon snam hadim gladap ya tho shongkurim kelap ban wan Children's Hospital ke jaga sumar ke ban hak senang pok se Shillong ban ya Shillong komnu ban ajing sumar ki la daga jing bam yok khon ke na jing lingki jaga kin thailand ni na ushin rang nak benta ke jing tip ke bakam benya phila ban book ik appointment ke jong phi dak ba telephone how number khandai lai khandai san pra iwe not r but pra nyo lai iwe khandai henriu ar nyo iwe pra
ulam phang giang dor bar thau an ke jalau Thomas e Sangma ula pentep ba Timothy di Shira ule eno ekakam kumu deputy speaker giang dor bar thau an ke jala bar kumta la penbet ban penlong ek election ban jet deputy speaker bathamai ha ka khat ar tarik matau nai lor ka bade ke sngi ba khat do jong dor bar senrai ulam phang uloong ba ke nek chithi en okam u deputy speaker la yo apriang ha ka step jong ka tarik nai lor ka bade ru ka sngi ka badengkong jong dor bar senrai ban kumta ula lum kerki ek jingelang jong ka business advisory committee ban shimekarai ban penlong ek election ban jet deputy speaker ulam phang uloong ba Timothy di Shira shim la penpau yikidau ke bala penlong yu ban eno ya ka kam deputy speaker Nagaliang MLA ka NPP na Resubel Para constituency Timothy di Shira uleto ba ula shimekarai ban eno kam ya ka kam deputy speaker kadai na kajing Bthah jigenong yalam ka sang NPP ha ka bolu opdiang ya ka phone call no menteri rang ba ka jala Conrad kongkal Sangma ha ka bolu Bthah yu ban eno kam ba shim labu jikli ka ne karai padul ka jing start jong menteri rang ba lawan pensyong yu ha ka no ka cakaru u Timothy di Shira ulong ba udan nek jing shania ka bapura ho menteri rang ba bat umla banong na marbu de menteri rang ba uba sngojan bat sngohone ka karai ka bula shim
I don't have any further comment. That's all.
So why the decision suddenly?
Suddenly decision is up to our party high command.
So is there a push for other MLAs to, take over?
That also I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, "Oh, you better resign tomorrow." So I resigned. It's a loyal party man. I cannot say no.
But you should have said why. You should have protested.
I did not ask why also because I don't like to ask why. Because I know it is legitimate.
But you are the most senior person.
Even then, you say, as a senior most party man, I should not ask him also. It depends on his wisdom.
Don't you think that you should know the reason? But you are perfectly all right now. There is no sickness. Why somebody has to say that you have to resign immediately?
That is why I say I don't have any further comment on that. Because you see, I have tendered my resignation as per the direction from the party high command. And say what I am asked to do, I have done it. So it depends on the what is called the wisdom of the Shem, whether he asks me to sit somewhere or go somewhere, that also I don't know. Huh?
Angry?
No, I'm not angry. I'm quite satisfied.
So
this is my nature. I never get angry.
Sir.
In politics, so far as politics is concerned, I never get angry.